Okay, this story today is about the horse and the power of the horse, and why the power of the horse is held with a gemstone, a very precious gemstone from Mexico. Okay, carved beautifully, and this is the Royal of Lady Diana. This is a book, and the Herbal Drugstore, and the other horse. So this is my pick today in this store because it's the power of the horse. What I want to get is the detailing in the stone, the carving in the stone. It's very, very beautiful. These are all from the earth, the crust of the earth. And you see how beautiful it's carved. And they haven't even put dyes into the actual carving itself. It just comes from the earth like this. And this particular book is called The Herbal Drugstore, the best natural alternatives. Okay, so this looks like a it's by James A. Duke, and he's an MD. So you got remedies, you got all kinds of stuff here. The index is it's all herbal. Welcome to the Herbal Drugstore. What is Herbal Drugstore? So signing off right now. This is something that you do not want to use. This is externalization. And don't monkey around with your life ever. And Inuit art is what Canadians are supposed to look at.